So if your alien spaceship had some sort of problems and boom, blew apart, there could be coils and windings and things disintegrating and coming down, showering down and leaving strange ashes.
Another theory is that whatever the envelope is around the UFO that allows it to navigate through the atmosphere, that envelope creates its own EMP effect.
Basically, an EMP event is a very strong electromagnetic pulse. And what we've done in this experiment is created an extremely strong electromagnetic pulse. It's instantaneous. It disintegrates the wire, and it releases 10,000 volts at 200 amps. It would kill you instantly. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this lots of current, shoot it across the wire, disintegrate wire, and create an EMP event.
The team is testing to see if an EMP event could disrupt radio reception as well as turn ribbon-like wiring to ash. John has connected a 27,000-volt power supply to a 32-gauge nickel-coated copper wire.
That's a lot of current. That would kill you instantly. Okay, here we go. This needs to charge for about 10 seconds. Okay, and here we go. And 3, 2, 1. What do you think of that, Bill?
Wow, it's certainly a long string of ashes, that's for sure.
Totally vaporized the copper and the nickel in that wire. And plus, large thermal signature, large electromagnetic signature. A lot going on there.
When we started this investigation interviewing the witnesses, nobody knew what could have caused that string of ashes. It was a real big mystery in the village. The police didn't know. They wrote up reports. The intelligence officer said he didn't know. But at least now we have one plausible explanation for what might have been the cause of those ashes, and it could have been a UFO scenario. So I think with this, we really have the ability to start working on this case in such a way that, yeah, maybe we can find more information.
Has the team found the crash site?
It looks like something over here, Bill.
Of Mexico's Roswell.
Did you find it?
Yeah, it's over here.
No way.
As the team from UFO magazine researches the 2007 case, the reported UFO crash in Gilitla, Mexico, they notice similarities with another case from 1974. Coyame, 675 miles to the north, is home to a case so puzzling that it is known as Mexico's Roswell.
There's a link between 1974 and 2007. In 1974, the UFO crashed over Coyame. In 2007, a UFO dropped a burning fireball over the village in Gilitla. In both cases, the police and the military covered up the crashes. We're going to find the debris in Coyame, and we'll find the link between Gilitlan and Mexico's Roswell.
UFO expert Ruben Uriarte gives the team the hottest lead ever in this case.
The two sites we'll be going out to visit, one of them is an actual airplane debris field from a small airplane that crashed in the desert near here.
We just got a big break in this case. Ruben Uriarte found the location of the downed plane in the Coyame Desert. We may find evidence of UFO contact, or, who knows, we may find an actual piece of the UFO itself.
Coyame is a small city with approximately 30,000 people, 120 miles from the Gulf of Mexico and only 40 miles from the Texas border. Coyame sits in the Chihuahuan Desert, the same desert that surrounds Roswell, New Mexico.
We're on our way to Coyame now to look at the UFO crash site.
At 10 p.m., August 25th, 1974, strategic defense installations across Texas are allegedly put on high alert when radar detects an unidentified craft. What is particularly alarming was the reported speed at which the object is traveling. It reportedly clocks in at 2,500 miles per hour. A typical commercial jet travels between 500 and 600 miles per hour. The top speed of an F-15 fighter, one of the fastest jets in the sky, is Mach 2.5, or approximately 1,400 miles per hour. The unknown object is tracked across the Gulf of Mexico, heading toward the southern border of the United States. Suddenly, the object veers 90 degrees to the left and begins paralleling the Texas coastline. At the same time, unaware that anything unusual was going on in the skies overhead, a small civilian airplane takes off from El Paso, heading for Mexico City. The weather was perfect. There was no reason to expect that this would be anything but a normal, eventless flight. The object over the Gulf makes another impossibly sharp turn, this time to the right, and enters Mexican airspace. Heading inland over the desolate backlands of Chihuahua, Mexico, the U.S. defense technicians reportedly see the unknown object suddenly disappear from their screens, just outside the small Mexican city of Coyame. Moments later, Mexican Civil Air Control reports that a small plane had just crashed in the Chihuahuan desert.
I was speaking to some of the local town people. The flight path of the UFO would have been from the south, which is Brownsville, Texas, coming over, swinging over, going northeast, over that mountain peak there.
The impact site is on the other side of that
The other side of that mountain.
Let's get to the site. It's going to be a long day.
You got it. Looks like probably that way.
Man, it's amazing how all of this terrain looks similar.
Noe Torres co-authored the book Mexico's Roswell with Ruben Uriarte. The two men visited this site extensively while researching their book.
Ruben and Noe are going down to find the wreckage.
The team is searching a 1 mile by 1 mile area, hoping to find evidence of a UFO collision.
You guys see anything?
We've got 3 issues. Where is it? Whether it's been eroded by wind over the years and rain, and whether the site's not been completely scavenged by local people looking for artifacts.
Say another 1.5 kilometers up.
Meaning we have to go that way.
Looks like something over here,
Where is it, Noe?
right up ahead. There's stuff all over the
Look.
place.
Did you find it?
It's over here.
Where, over there?
Right here. Right here.
The team has located part of the wreckage, much of which may not have been seen for over 34 years.
It's the whole rudder assembly.
Look at all the casing over here.
Look at the glass. It's his windshield.
The debris field covers approximately 10,000 square feet. The team has located wreckage at several points, including what appears to be the rudder assembly of a plane.
Well, we've discovered wreckage of a plane that's strewn about out here in the desert. It could be the plane that crashed with the UFO. I can't really know that until we analyze this and find something anomalous on it, maybe some kind of radioactivity or something that would give us a clue that maybe there was some contact with the UFO.
There must be things all around here, Pat. So what do you think?
I'm excited that we finally have something hard and tangible to work with. I mean, it's one thing to read about UFO crashes in a book and say, well, okay, maybe this happened. But when you finally get out here and you see that there's actually something to work with, we've actually got metal to analyze and we've got soil to sample, it's exciting. This is what ufologists want. For answers, this is where you want to be. You want to be actually in the field with your hands on some artifacts that may indicate that we've had extraterrestrial contact.
There it is, right there in the sand. There is the wreckage. There is the proof that something happened here where you said it should be.